Jyoti Sharma, CTO of Omnipresent Technologies, visiting faculty at IIT Delhi, and her team has developed Bhagirath.
Bhagirath contains multiple modules. The first module is set up on a water tank that controls the inflow and outflow of water in the tank. The other module, which contains different sensors, also are installed on different places on the pipeline, and there are sensors that you can also install in your in the water outlet in your, let's say, in your bathtub or bathroom. So basically what it does is that it checks the quality of water coming out from after reuse. Let's say if you have used the water for bathing, it can be reused if it is not much contaminated for other purposes, like it can go to a commode for flushing, thereby further reducing the water wastage. There is another unit which is called the intelligent management system. It has a control unit which continuously sends messages, encoded messages between these systems to check the functionality or check the health of the system. So if your motor is going down, let's say if your motor capacity is going down, it also sends alert that you need to change your motor within next 1 month. And also on the similar patterns, it can like if somebody has let the water on the water tap on in a home have gone out, then a SMS is sent to the user, and if says yes, please stop the water, then SMS is sent, and that is controlled via the motorized. So basically remotely you can control the water usage in your home also.
Bhagirath is a solution which provides an automated and intelligent control over the water resources and provides intelligent and optimized communication between users, water setup unit, administrative body and government authorities. Exploiting information from variety of contactless sensors in water tank, pipes and water drainage, and two-way communication over GSM or 3G. Bhagirath collects and optimizes all information for implementing the most suitable and convenient water distribution, water management and water reuse in an area.
Is this intelligent management system? It studies the profiles of users at different times of the day and different days of the week. So we make a profile of the water usage in homes and in factories, and depending upon that, we send this information to the water distribution pipes, and they accordingly send water to these places. So what happens is that only that amount of water is sent through the pipeline, through the water channels that is required, and thereby reducing the water wastage. And the pressure sensor in the pipeline also continuously monitors the leakage of the water, and whenever there is a leakage, through the sensors and the motor mechanism, we can stop the water inflow in the pipeline, thereby reducing the water wastage again.
This technology will help countries like India fighting the scarcity and wastage of fresh drinking water.